What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be unboxing this stuffed jalapeno holder. Now this one I purchased at Academy. This is a outdoor gourmet stuffed jalapeno holder. It's supposed to come with a knife, a jalapeno corer. Now these come in really handy, especially when you want to do some stuffed jalapenos wrapped in bacon. What I like to do with these is I actually like to core them out, get all the seeds out, and then after that put cream cheese in there, wrap them in bacon, and then we grill them in the barbecue pit. But this video is strictly on the unboxing of the stuffed jalapeno holder and corer. So without any further ado, let me open this up. Once again, I bought this one at Academy. This one set me back about $10. I've seen them online, I've seen them on Amazon, different variations of it. If you don't have an Academy around you, you can always buy it online. But honestly, I was able to purchase this one for cheaper than what I could find on Amazon. So there you go, that's the box right there. And it comes pretty self-explanatory right here. So this is, it's a pretty decent a thick gauge of steel here, which is pretty good. My corer is right here. I just turned that around and I popped it off. And this right here is your actual corer. All right, and in another video that I'm gonna make, I will show you guys how to actually use this one when you're cutting your jalapenos and you're coring them if you are going to fill them up with cream cheese. So other than that, we have your jalapeno holder and the corer. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please list them below and I will get to them as soon as I can. Once again, this has been the Smoking Beard. If you do like these videos, please subscribe, like and subscribe so that I can continue bringing you content relevant to smoking. Once again, this has been the Smoking Beard and thanks for watching.